TrueConnect is our patented locking device featured in all our tool changers. The docking of your tools is made faster, stronger, and simpler. TrueConnect repeatedly ensures a secure docking thanks to the unique locking mechanism. The principle is a uniform distribution of load, obtained by pressing locking balls into spherical grooves in the tool attachment. This design is proven to withstand the heavy weights of industrial work, having a coupling that is stronger than the bolts used for attachment. Tool changers with TrueConnect do not require exact alignment before docking with different tools. It gives you a positional flexibility, as the mechanism itself enables absolute alignment repeatability. The locking cycle is completed in under 0.3 seconds. A quick locking cycle can save you valuable production time and improve the productivity of your robots. With a tool changer, your robot has the possibility to perform a wide range of tasks. Make your robot versatile and flexible with tool changers from Robot System Products.